Pascal triangle. A Pascal triangle helps us to multiply an algebraic expression with ease, especially those that has power. Now consider this expression x plus 2 square. Now this expression is very easy to expand. Of course, we just have to expand the brackets, x plus 2 into x plus 2. Then we proceed by taking x into x plus 2 into x plus 2. And when we simplify further, becomes x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. And this gives us x squared plus 4x plus 4. It's easy. But what if the question was actually x plus 2 raised to power 3? Oh, this one is also easy. It's just x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. And we'll simplify further and we have our answer. But what if the question was x plus 2 raised to power 5? It's also easy, but we need to expand 5 times. But what if the question is x plus 2 now raised to the power of 10 or the power of 20? And you'll see that we can solve it though, but it will take us time to solve it. But with the help of Pascal triangle, this is not a problem. With Pascal triangle, we can simplify this expression in just 5 lines. So how does Pascal triangles work? Now this is how Pascal triangles look like. There's the power. Now let's start with 0. Obviously, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now, if the power is 1, Pascal triangle always begin with 1 and end with 1. If it's raised to the power of 2, then it begins with 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and ends with 1. If the power is 3, it begins with 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and ends with 1. If the power is 4, it begins with 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1, 4 and ends with 1. If the power is 5, it starts from 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5 and end 1. When the power is 6, it starts from 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6 and end with 1. If the power is 7, it starts from 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 15 is 21. 15 plus 20 is 35. 20 plus 15 is 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. 6 plus 1 is 7 and ends with 1. And the list keep on going. And of course, we have the triangular shape, and it's called Pascal triangle. Now, how exactly does these numbers work? Let's go back to the question we solved earlier, which is x plus 2 raised to power 2. Now, let's use Pascal triangle to multiply this expression, which is x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, the power is 2, so we're going to use this line, which is 1 to 1. So this is equals to 1 to 1, which is expression here. So the next step, this x and this is square. Make use of it, x squared. Yes, x squared. Now the power of s will be reducing by 1. This will be x raised to power 1, and this will be s raised to power 0. Now this is 2 squared. Now this 2 squared will start from the right hand side, which is 2 squared. Now as we are moving to the left hand side, the power of 2 will decrease by 1. 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 0. So from s squared, it starts from the left hand side, the power will be decreasing, while from 2 squared, start from the right hand side and the power will be decreasing while going to the left hand side. Since here is positive, here's plus and here's plus. So if we simplify this down, that will just give us our answer. This is 1 times s squared times 2 raised to power 0. 1 times s squared is s squared times 2 raised to power 0 is 1, plus 2 times s raised to the power 1 is x, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, plus 1 times s raised to the power 0 is 1, times 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. So let's simplify further. This becomes s squared plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4x plus 4. And this is exactly the answer we have before, s squared plus 4x plus 4. Although it seems like it's long, but what if we actually expanding raised to the power 5, it will still take us the stereo line to get the answer. So let's simplify this expression, x plus 2 raised to the power 3, and see how fast it will be. X plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Now from this Pascal triangle, when the power is 3, we make use of 1, 3, 3, 1, which is 1, 3, 3, 1. And now this is s raised to the power 3, so we'll start from here. S raised to the power 3, s raised to the power 2, s raised to the power 1, s raised to the power 0. And this is 2 raised to the power 3, it becomes 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 0. Now we'll add them up. Now if we simplify this further, that will just be the answer. This is 1 times s raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 0, which is s raised to the power 3 times 1, because 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, plus this is 3 times 2, which is 6x squared, plus this is 3 times 4, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, so 3 times 4 is 12x, plus this is x times 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, this gives us 8x. So the answer is s raised to the power 3 plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8x. Assuming we expand this expression down, and this will be the answer. So in just 3 lines, we got the answer. Now let's simplify this one. X plus 2 raised to the power of 5. It's quite easy. Let's go to the Pascal triangle. When the power is 5, is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So work with that. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now the next step, this is s to the power 5, s raised to the power of 5, x raised to the power 4, s raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 1, and x raised to the power 0. This is 2 raised to the power 5, becomes 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 1, and 2 raised to the power 0. Now, since this is addition, we just add everything up. If we simplify this down, that will just be the answer. This is 1 times s to the power 5 times 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. So at this point here, we'll be left with s raised to the power 5 plus this is 5 times 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. S raised to the power 4 plus 10 times 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 10 times 4 is 40. S to the power 3 plus this is 10 times 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 10 times 8 is 80. S to the power 2 plus this is 5 times 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, that is 16. 16 times 5 is 80x plus s to the power 0 is 1. Now 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. Becomes s to the power 5 plus 10x to the power 4 plus 10 s to the power 3 plus 80s squared plus 80x plus 32. This is the expansion of s plus 2 to the power 5. So with just these few lines, we derive the answer. So the help of Pascal triangle is very easy to expand an algebraic expression that has a power. Now assuming we are going to expand this with the normal expansion method, it will take us up to 2 or 3 pages of our notebook. But with the help of Pascal Triangle, in just few lines, we have the answer. So in a similar way, we can proceed to solve x plus 2 raised to the power 7. We can also solve x plus 2 raised to the power 20, and so on. It becomes easy with Pascal Triangle. Now, what if the number inside is negative? For example, x minus 2 raised to the power of 4. Now the sign inside is negative. Now the approach is similar with just a little deviation. Now we'll still proceed with the number step. Now let's go back to the Pascal triangle. When the power is 4, we'll make use of 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So let's go there, which is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So the same procedure, x raised to the power 4. So this is x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 0. And this is 2 raised to the power 4, becomes 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 0. Now, for the sign, since this is negative, the sign will alternate. The first will be positive, the next negative, positive, negative, positive. So that's actually the difference. So if we simplify this down, it gives us s raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So we'll be left with s raised to the power 4 minus, this is 4 times 2, which is 8, s raised to the power 3, plus 6 times 4, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, 6 times 4 is 24, x squared, minus 4 times 8 is 32x, plus s to the power 0 is 1, 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. So if we expand this bracket, which is x minus 2 raised to the power 4, the answer is s raised to the power 4 minus 8x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x plus 16. So in just these few lines, we have the answer. Now let's expand another number with negative sign, which is x minus 1 whole raised to the power of 7. And this raised to the power 7, this will be equals to, let's go back to the Pascal triangle. When it's 7, it is 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. So let's proceed. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. This is s to the power 7, s to the power 7, s to the power 6, s to the power 5, x to the power 4, s to the power 3, s to the power 2, s to the power 1, and x to the power 0. Now this is 1. So start from here, 1 raised to the power 7, 1 raised to the power 6, 1 raised to the power 5, 1 raised to the power 4, 1 raised to the power 3, 1 raised to the power 2, 1 raised to the power 1, 1 raised to the power 0. Now this is negative, so the sign will alternate. Start with positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and negative. Answer becomes, this is s to the power 7. This is 7s to the power 6, 7s to the power 6, plus 21s to the power 5, plus 21x to the power 5, minus 35s to the power 4, minus 35s to the power 4, plus 35s to the power 3, plus 35s to the power 3, minus 21s squared, minus 21s squared, plus 7x, plus 7x, minus 1. So if we expand expression, we have this as an answer. Now just imagine how many lines it will take us to expand this by the expansion method. But with Pascal triangle, just 3 or 4 lines, we have the answer. In my next video, I'm going to talk about binomial theorem. You can click on the link above to access this video. Well, Pascal triangle and binomial theorem, they are quite related. If you have any question in Pascal triangle, please message me on WhatsApp. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.